Yo, what up, guys? I'm back. It's been like a week, I think, since the last video. It was the blood wash video. Dude, man, that had like a 2-week break between that and the parasocial video. No, no, it was parasocial. Was it parasocial or Fears to Fathom? I can't remember. Yeah, so another video. I'm gonna give you the official schedule for videos. It's going to be Wednesdays and Fridays. Hopefully, Wednesdays and Fridays. And today I'm playing a Squirrel Stapler, a game made by the same guy who made Iron Lung. What is the sensitivity? I've also been playing a lot of Ultra lately. Can't even get away from it all, but so that I love my Blossom. But I love my beloved. The flies that made her ugly and rotten. I didn't get to finish reading the first line. Wish you were beautiful, like the squirrels of the wood. And so I will cover her in the squirrels of the wood. That's why it's called Squirrel Stapler. We staple squirrels to the corpse of our wife until God kills us. What's this? Book of the Grove, chapter 4, verse 1. Saith the goat of the wood, thou shalt not staple squirrels. The Bible tells you guys not to staple squirrels. You don't staple squirrels. In 5 days, God is coming. Day 1. Time to hunt squirrels. Tip of the day. Use the map default tab to orient yourself. Come back tomorrow for another tip. Forgot to close my voice mod. I know you guys didn't exactly hear that because different input setting, but it was on. Nutty Nate's squirrel hunting tips. You can run, default shift while standing or crouching, but be careful, it's louder. Stay low, default control to hide in the foliage and creep quietly. Use patches of grass to hide. Use your ears, you can usually hear squirrels chattering and moving before you can see them. Your rifle's equipped with a scope. Use it to bag varmints at a long range, default right mouse. Is that a squirrel I hear? I got one! I got a squirrel! This is so amazing, it made me smile! Oh, I'm sorry for the Mr. Boss impression. Speaking of Mr. Boss, but smiling fights is over. Yeah, I fought Minos Prime in Ultra Skill yesterday, and I got very angry. It took me 122 attempts. I mean, should I be doing this really? Like, I read the book, it said, thou shalt not staple squirrels. It's not like my name is Jack or I'm gonna disobey what God tells me. Another squirrel down. What am I hearing? And this is made by the same guy as Iron Lung, so I'm gonna assume it's gonna be a good game, because Iron Lung is the favorite game I play for the channel. I loved Iron Lung so much. My top there probably Iron Lung, The Convenience Store, Blood Wash. either like convenience store or like closing shift. Cause like I don't know, like convenience store is so like more like story focused and gameplay focused, like kind of like the later Charizard games, like closing shift. Like I know these were like a lot like closing shift. It had gameplay, but I just feel like it wasn't done too well. It felt like kind of boring at times. Unlike the Boba Tea Shop, which has similar gameplay, but I feel like in execution that one's way better. Also, I feel like the convenience store doesn't look as good as not convenience store, not closing shifts. Doesn't look as good as some of the earlier Charizard games. Like it didn't like lost the PS1 style. And that was one of the main things I liked about the Charizard games. Sonny, do you see that? The squirrel. Now it's dead. Although I already have like a lot of Ultra Kill experience, not like a lot. I got about 100 hours in the game. I mean, if you want to see me play Ultra Kill series, maybe it wouldn't match up too well with the style of games I usually play, but like same graphic style at least. Come on, I just need one more squirrel. How hard can it be to find one more squirrel? Nope. Double speed. There's a sad day I dropped my PWM on the ground. Another one. What just happened? Supposed to eat their body weight in food every week. I step in there and start taking damage. Most survive and fall makes you 30 feet and you give them 20 feet. Stay still, squirrel. Yes! That's last squirrel. Let's go. Let's go sometimes around at speed of 20 miles per hour. We're home. I actually let the default life masters. Oh! Ah, you are asleep. There's just a low quality image of a squirrel. Oh, verse 2. For the bushy tail is righteous in the all-mother's sight, and the chattering voice divine. Should that which is divine be adhered to that which is not divine? By no means. Should that which is divine be adhered to that which is not divine? Oh, okay. I tried reading that in one smooth take, and it just sounded weird. 5 days, God is coming. Did it not say 5 days yesterday? Is it now 4 days? Day 2. Today I'm hunting the big squirrel. Use the call default app to track and learn big squirrels. Send. Yep. So what, the big squirrels like take extra shots? Right in the dome. Oh. Where are you, big squirrel? So, can Markiplier make a Squirrel staple adaptation next? I wonder if I could shoot those things from the trees. It's over here. We can kill another normal one on the way over there. Right, it's a big squirrel. We probably can't miss it. Got it? The big squirrel. How big is this thing? Oh my. The thing's huge! I see why he's called the big squirrel now. Ooh, sniped him. A lot more squirrels today. Need more bullets though. Need more bullets. Double squirrel. Does it count as two, or was it just two squirrels? That is one being. So we have two squirrel variants encountered: the big squirrel and the double squirrel. Okay. So it is this way. So, why did I hunt the big squirrel? Because that is bigger than my wife. I'm not gonna staple that thing onto my dead wife. Oh, so sometimes there's just squirrels out here. So there's 3 squirrels every day. Okay, yeah. I don't want squirrels, I want skin. Give me back my skin or give me yours instead. Did the corpse write this? So what, is it 3 days until God arrives? Or was it, in the first day was it 6 days, and then it was 5 days, not 4 days. Let's see, what verse do you have today? Verse 3. Rather like the righteous squirrel, the wise man stores his nuts at the proper time. The faithless man has no nuts to store. So no, it always says 5 days, so now it's like 3 days. Something was scratching the windows last night. I should look for tracks. Careful, large predators will investigate loud noises. Come back another I need to have the big squirrel again today. I gotta watch out for predators. So, I got 2 free squirrels, because 2 of them ate the poison in the grass. Find it funny how that note just says, if you're faithless, you got no balls. A double squirrel! Yeah, this is so lucky. What? Get away from me, squirrel bear! Oh, how many shots does this take? So everything's a squirrel. That's what I've been gathering so far. Everything's a squirrel. I just need 2 more squirrels. The big one. Big one's moving away. Alright, the big squirrel's really huge, there's no way I can miss it. Should probably start crouching. There he is. I can drive the one. Better just go for the normal one. Cause I only need 1 more. This was a fast day. I got lucky by having 2 squirrels at the beginning and getting a double squirrel. I did get unlucky running to the squirrel bear. Because the bears are squirrels now. That thing took 3 shots, then he blew up. Time to staple squirrels. Where'd my wife go? How did you get here? Enjoy those squirrels. You are sleeping. 2 days until God arrives. So I wonder, is like on the one day, is he gonna appear when it says 1 day left, or the day after? So either tomorrow or the day after God's gonna arrive. Sometimes better to hide than fight. I hear a squirrel there. The big squirrel already? So there's a squirrel bear coming. Okay, he left. Run! Run, Sonny, run! Did he just explode? This is all Jack's fault. Jack made him explode right in front of me. Squirrels are always watching. That's not creepy. That's totally not creepy, the fact that the squirrels are always watching. You dumb squirrel, it's like you to hide from me. Ooh, you almost escaped. You were, hiding behind that bush. Alright, I'm like almost out of ammo, so if I run into a squirrel bear, this will be really bad. I need health and ammo. We should get a squirrel stapler secret level in Ultra Kill. Like how the fish from Iron Lung is in the fishing secret level. We should get a squirrel stapler as a secret level. Ah! How did my dead wife get here? Oh. What's that? Remember I thought, oh, it's like a new enemy, and then I turn out it's the corpse. The corpse is alive. What is this? Oh, the geocache. I can't exactly read it because it's pixelated. Ammo. Ammo. I'm just trying the call to see if it works on normal squirrels or if it only works on the big squirrel, but I think it only works on the big squirrel. Let's go find us some squirrels. The plan is I move faster than them so they can't actually get away. I mean, I don't have to watch how much noise I make because I'm so fast that, they won't really get away in time. This is the plan. I wish the energy drink stack, that'd be so funny. Squirrel bear. Alright, Sonny, we're gonna run. We're gonna run, Sonny! Run, Sonny, run! Don't come back, Squirrel. Alright, we need one more squirrel. I was really hoping that last one is a double squirrel. Oh, wait. Okay. Sorry. Yep. Let's go back and check the house. There might be, squirrels there. How's the poison grass? I think the squirrels go over time, right? No. 0 squirrels. I don't like that noise. Did I hit it? Oh my god, I actually hit it. I did not think I was gonna hit that. Will my dead wife be there, or is she still out in the wilderness? In 5 days. Not exactly 5 days anymore. Okay, I can hear the flies. She's definitely here. You just gotta finish up your leg. You are sleeping. I say unto you, in those final days the groves will bend in agonized worship, and the nutless man will be judged with his own industrial energy and godless adhesion. So the stapler will become the stapled. So I'm gonna assume this is the final day. God is coming today. Good luck. Yes! 2 free squirrels. Vengeful ghost squirrel. I thought that rock was the big one. It appears as if there's a squirrel bear over there. I can kind of hear it. Walked out right in front of me. See that? That squirrel's like walked out right in front of me. Alright, I just need to kill 3 more. Took you too long to see me. So you died for it. Two more squirrels! 2 more squirrels! 2 more squirrels! 2 more squirrels! One more squirrel! 1 more squirrel! 1 more squirrel! There's a squirrel bear coming. There's a squirrel bear coming. There's 2 of them! There's 2 of them! That was a horrifying sight. There were 2 squirrel bears. And we found the big one. Should be just over here. How fitting is it that we finish off with the big one? You're so big, there's no way you're escaping. I must prepare to meet God? I'm leaving the score the way it is. I gotta get back before God arrives. This way. Some. Where's God? I just shot God. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Well, that was Squirrel Stapler. Good game. It actually, the jump scare actually got me at the end. I knew it was coming. I know what the game's about. The jump scare still got me at the end. Anyways, I'm Western Cousin Sailor. Yeah. Yeah. Bye